everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today we are going to learn how to tell time in French. This is a regular lesson, so don't forget that you can get the free PDF on my website. If you are on my mailing list, it's already in your inbox. So I just want to say that this is a lesson that I've been putting at the back of my list for quite a while now, just because teaching the time can be quite messy, I would say. Just like in English, we have a few ways to tell the time. And on top of it, we have the 12 hours and the 24-hour clock. And depending on one or the other, you can say some things and then you can't say other ones. So it's a bit messy. I hope I organized it well, but I highly recommend you to grab the PDF. So if you want to make notes differently, well, you can. Let's see 3 words of vocabulary very quickly before jumping into the lesson. So we have une heure, une heure. So the H here is silent. Act as a voyelle if you remember the pronunciation course. Une heure, une heure. Une minute, une minute. And une seconde. Une seconde. So here the C is pronounced as G. Seconde, gonde. I don't say seconde, compte. I say seconde. But let's not focus too much on the pronunciation. The pronunciation course is over. So let's see. When we want to ask what time is it in French, we do not say what temps, quel temps est-il. Time here translates to heure. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Okay? Then we are going to answer il est. Blah blah blah. Il est. That's the correct way to answer. There's only one. You cannot say c'est. C'est blah blah blah. We can't say that. You cannot say either elle est. Doesn't work. Even though l'heure, une heure, is a feminine word, it doesn't work with elle est or c'est. It's only il est. It is. Il est. So let's see 2 very simple ways to answer that question. So when we have quelle heure est-il, the answer is going to be il est une heure. Il est une heure or il est une heure. Here the link de la liaison is optional. Il est une heure. Or you can say il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. So like I said before, the H is silent, so we make the connection between the number and heure. So here we say 2 heures, 3 heures. I know that the pronunciation course is over, I just can't help myself. Okay, so il est une heure, il est 3 heures. So here we can see that heure kind of translates to o'clock. So when in English you have o'clock, in French we have heure. Don't forget that heure is going to be singular and then it's going to be plural. If it's une heure, 1 hour, we don't have a S. If it's 3 hours, well, we have a S. Now let's see how to say 15, 30 and 45. So if we take, for example, it's 7:15. We have 2 different ways to say that. We have il est 7h et quart and quarter. Il est 7h et quart. Or we can just say il est 7h15. Il est 7h15. Now if we see 4:30 and we take the example, it's 2:30, it's 2:30. So we are going to have il est 2h30. Et demi. So demi with a il est 2h30. Or you can say il est 2h30. Il est 2h30. Now it gets a tiny bit more complicated when you want to say something about 45. So if we take 5:45, we have also 2 different ways to say it. We have il est 5h 5h45, 5h45, and then we have il est 6h moins le quart. So here we are going to take the next hour, which is 6, 5, right? The one after is 6. And then we are going to say minus the quarter, okay? It's very similar than in English, actually. So, il est 6h moins le quart. So that works for basically from 31 minutes to 59. We can say il est 6h moins 1, 6h moins 2, 6h moins 3, 6h moins 4, etc. So you can simply count all the minutes from 0 to 59. You can say il est 5h59, 5:59, or you can say il est 6h moins 1, minus 1 minute. I'm sure you get it. So let's see now. If we go by 5 minutes, I'm not going to do all the minutes around the clock, but if we go by 5 minutes, when it's not a quarter, 30, or 45, because we just saw that. So we are going to go with 2 hours for this one always. So for 2:05, we'll say il est 2h05. 2h05. Also, I totally forgot to say, but we have a very different way to just write the time. Like, so for you it's 2 and the double dot, then 05. For us, well, 05. For us, it's 2h. So h for hour. So 2h and then 05. 05. Okay? So here, il est 2h05. If we look at 2:10, same thing. Il est 2h10. Il est 2h10. Now, 2:20, il est 2h20 ou 2h20. The two pronunciations are correct. 2h20. 25, 2h25. So that's the easy part. We saw 30, so we good on that. Now if we go to 35, we are going to say il est 2h35, 35, or il est 3h moins 25, minus 25. Il est 2h25, il est 3h moins 25. Same thing for 2:40. We have il est 2h40, 40, or il est 3h moins 20. 2h40, 3h moins 20. For 2:50, we have il est 2h50, 50, or il est 3h moins 10. Il est 2h50, il est 3h moins 10. And finally, if we look at 55, we have il est 2h55, 55, or il est 3h moins 5. Il est 2h55, il est 3h moins 5. So that's the first part. Now let's jump into the 12-hour and the 24 hours. So let's see first when we use the 12-hour clock. So when we use the 12-hour clock, we have to specify, because maybe if you say it's 2, well, it can be 2 in the morning or 2 in the afternoon. So here we are going to specify, we have 3 different ways to specify that. So in the morning, so it can be anywhere from midnight to noon. So that's a 12-hour shift out there. We are going to add du matin. Du matin. If we look at de l'après-midi, we are going to see examples. We are going to have this from noon to 6 p.m. And then du soir, we are going to have this from 6 p.m. to midnight. So we have 12 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. Okay? So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Let's see 3 examples. The first one, for morning, we have il est 4 heures du matin. Il est 4 heures du matin. 4 heures du matin. For 2 p.m., we'll say il est 2 heures de l'après-midi. Il est 2 heures de l'après-midi. 7 p.m., il est 7 heures du soir. Il est 7 heures du soir. So now if you look at the 24-hour clock, if you look at something a.m., let's say it's 4 a.m., we can say il est 4 heures. Because since we use the 24-hour clock, we know that 4 heures is going to be in the morning. Il est 4 heures. You can also say il est 4 heures du matin. That's absolutely not an issue, of course. Now if you look at it's 2 p.m., we are going to say il est 14 heures. Why 14? Why 14? Because it's 12 hours, so we already went from midnight to noon, and then we have 2. So it's 14 hours. Make sense? So il est 14 heures. 14 heures. You can't say il est 14 heures de l'après-midi. That doesn't work. This is not good grammar. You have to say il est 14 heures, not de l'après-midi. Not, never. If you want to say it's 7 p.m., you're going to say il est 19 heures. 19 heures. Okay? Why? Because 12 plus 7, so we did the 12 hours, and then we're going once again until 7, so 19. So it's 19 hours. It's 19 o'clock, you will say. So, of course, you cannot say il est 19 heures du soir in the evening. Doesn't work. 3 more things that you cannot say with the 24-hour clock. It's going to be, if you say it's 4:15 p.m., we are going to say il est 16h15. 16h15. So because 12 plus 4, we good on that? I hope. But the thing that you can't say, you cannot say that, it's il est 16h15. Il est 16h15. I heard some French speaker use this, but this is not good grammar. Technically, you could not say that. You should not say that. So, il est 16h15. Not il est 16h15. Same thing if it's 5:30, we are going to say il est 17h30. 17h30. We can't say il est 17h30. Can't say that. 17h30, correct. 17h30, not correct. And the third one, if we look at 6:45 p.m., we have il est 18h45. Il est 18h45. But you cannot say il est 19h moins le quart. That doesn't work. And finally, 2 little sentences that could be useful. We have il est midi. Il est midi. Il est minuit. Il est minuit. That's it. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have a question. I will do my best to help you. And I will see you soon for another lesson.